G'day folks, this afternoon I've come out to do a bit of bait fishing. I'm at the Eldorado dredge hole. For years I've come out here chasing redfin and there's always been a few carp in here. But in these days it gets stocked with yellowbelly, and I found out last night silver perch as well. So I've come out here today to see if I can catch my first ever silver perch, and I've bought my esky because if I catch a decent sized redfin or yellowbelly, I'm going to keep it for a feed. Righto folks, now I'm happy to tell you where I am. I'm at the Eldorado dredge hole. There's the dredge there. In years gone by we kept all these sort of things secret, but in this day and age where fish stocking is so prolific, there's barely a pond in the state without fish in it. Now I had a look on the Victorian Fisheries website last night. Search Victorian fish stocking and you'll find a list of all the waterways that have been stocked and what they've been stocked with, and chances are there's going to be a small waterway like this somewhere near you that's also been stocked. I was surprised to see that silver perch have been stocked into the dredge hole. So today I could catch a redfin, a yellowbelly, a silver perch or a carp. I would love nothing more than to see catfish put in here. I think they'd thrive. But anyway, let's just go and see if we can catch anything. Remember folks, if you want to find out where there's a waterway like this near you, Google Victorian fish stockings or go onto the Victorian Fisheries Authority website. You can Google them, they'll come up easily, and you'll find lists of all the waterways that have been stocked over the years, and you might even have one near you. I just had my first nibble on this rod. One good thing about fishing in here, there's no shrimp, not that I'm aware of anyway. So if you get a bite, that's a fish of some description. This thing, no, I've got him. Whatever it is absolutely tiny. I thought I missed him because it's so small. You've got to be joking. I thought I missed him. No, I didn't miss him. Tiny little redfin. You know what? In a lot of my videos you'll see that I don't kill redfin. I often throw them back. But I'm going to kill this one, and I'll tell you why. Because this spot gets stocked with silver perch. See, he's not looking very healthy now. I didn't show that bit on the in the video, but you've just broken his neck. Silver perch are one of the species that redfin just do not compete very well with. Redfin dominate. Redfin can also harbour a disease that is particularly nasty for silver perch. So what I'm going to do is throw that out there in the water. I've got any yabbies, or water rats or anything else feed off that might want to feed. Do a little bit of silver perch protection. Look at that. That's a whistling kite. I've been listening to him for the last 5 minutes while I've been fishing. He's the one that goes. Beautiful birds. Getting a bite. I missed him. That was a good bite too. How did I miss that fish? That was a really good bite. Got him. What have I got? Something not very big. I'm guessing another small redfin. That's exactly what it is. Another small redfin. Tiny little Eldorado redfin. Sorry, Mr. Redfin, but it's time to meet your maker. I often get in trouble for releasing redfin back into the water that I've caught them in. But this is one of the very rare times where I've killed them and put them back. And that's because Victorian Fisheries Authority are pumping this dredge hole full of native fish. They've been putting a few yellowbelly in for a few years now, and now they've put 2,000 silver perch. Now what happens when they put those 2,000 silver perch in, a huge percentage get eaten by redfin, and I'm talking something like 90%. Not with just silver perch, but just with fish stocking and fingerlings in general. There's two ways to increase the survival rate of the silver perch or any fish once they're put in. One is to release the fish as adult fish, which is much more expensive because you've got to hand feed them to get them to be big. The other one is to thin out the redfin. So that's why, unlike Lake William Hovell and Lake Buffalo, when I'm in a little pond like this that's been stocked with silver perch, I am happy to thin them out a little bit, thin the redfin out, in order to try and help the redfin, the silver perch, gain a good foothold when they get stocked. Yellowbelly are a little bit different. The redfin will eat the yellowbelly fingerlings once they're small, but yellowbelly generally grow a lot bigger than silver perch. They're a lot more aggressive and they will feed on small fish. They've got a different diet to the silver perch. And once the yellowbelly, you get a couple of those yellowbelly that grow bigger than the redfin, then they start taking a toll on the redfin by eating the redfin. So the yellowbelly will combat the redfin. Oh, that's a decent bite. Is he still there? That was a good bite. He's still there, he's still there, he's still there. Got him. Another little redfin, I'm guessing. Whatever it is, it's a little something. It's tiny. Still no silver perchies. There's my phone. I might get a picture of this one, just to chuck up on my Instagram account. If you're on Instagram and you're not already following me, look me up, Robbie Fishing, and on Fish Brain too. Righto, Mr. Redfin, tell your story, swimming pal. Eldorado dredge hole. 3 small redfin on worms. It's been slow, it's been fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.